In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Redfall audio or sound not working. So we have a few solutions for you. So let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to just restart the game. So a first restart can help you a lot. But if that doesn't help you, go ahead and go to our second solution, which is to run your game as administrator. So a good run as administrator can help you. But if that doesn't work, we will suggest you to verify your file integrity. So to do that, just go ahead and open up Steam, go to your library, and just right click on the game. Go to Properties. Here, go to Local Files, and just click on Verify Integrity of Game File. Next solution is to check audio output device. So here, just go to the section here in your screen. We just look in the lower right corner of the screen. Make sure that you are using the correct device. For example, if you're using a headset, make sure your headset is selected. And if you are using a speaker, make sure your speaker is selected. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So here on your speaker icon, just right click on it and go to open volume mixer. You'll be able to see a section for your game here. Ensure that it's not muted and the levels for it is raised to a significant level where you can actually hear the game. But if all of this doesn't work, we have the final solution, which is to update your audio device. So to do this, just go ahead and go to Windows search and just type in device manager and just minimize the section and go to the sound, video, and game controllers. Just right click on the device that you want to update and go to update driver. Here we suggest you to use the search automatically for drivers since this will search and install your drivers for you on your PC. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.